Hi everyone, today we're making eggplant stew. It's simple and delicious. It's very easy and quick to make. Let me show you how. Cut half of an onion into 1-inch sticks. Cut 1 medium-sized eggplant into 1-inch cubes. Cut some dill, the smaller the better. You can use either fresh or dry. Shred 2 garlic cloves on a smaller hole. Shred 1 carrot on a bigger hole. And these are all the vegetables we'll need for the eggplant stew. Add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a frying pan. And when the oil heats up, add the onion. When the onion gets slightly golden color, add the carrot. Mix it up and add the garlic. After about 30 seconds, add the eggplant. Give it a good mix and turn the heat to medium-low. Fry it for 3-4 minutes and then add 1 can of tomato sauce, which is 15 ounces. Add half of a teaspoon of salt. You can always taste it, and if you need to add more. Add black pepper. Add dill. The stew should be ready by now, but you can always try and see if you like the softness of the eggplant. If you like it softer, let it cook for another few minutes. And that's it, we're done making simple eggplant stew. I absolutely love to eat it just by itself. And you can eat it warm or cold, it tastes even better. Sometimes I would put it in the refrigerator and then the next day I would take it out and eat it cold, and it tastes amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes coming soon.